Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I want to do an unboxing. I just received this from Influenster and today is Valentine's Day, so feliz día del amor y la amistad a todos los que me están viendo. Let's go ahead and open it. I kind of have an idea what's in here, but sometimes they do like variation. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, sometimes they like switch up the products, depends on the person. So let's just see what I got. I don't know if you guys know what Influencer is, but basically it's just a, I don't know if I should call it like a subscription because it's free. Like you don't have to pay anything, you just have to sign up, complete some snaps. That's how they call it, just for them to get to know you and for them to know what products to send you. I'm not sure how they choose the people that they send their boxes to, but I would just subscribe because it is pretty cool. You get a lot of nice products. At least in my experience, I have gotten really good boxes. Last month I got Lancome and they sent me the setting powder and the setting spray and the vitamin C serum, so that was pretty cool. So I would just sign up if you haven't already. And after that, let's just go ahead and open to see what I got. And this is how it looks like. It is pretty heavy and I am so excited. So the theme of this box is, I don't know, let's try to pronounce it. Galentine's Vox Box. So it's perfect because today is Valentine's Day and I just received this box. When you receive this, you have to complete, how do they call it? Campaigns. Yeah, you have to complete the campaigns, and basically the way you complete it is by going to each either website or each product, like on Sephora or Target, wherever they sell this product, and leave a review or post something on Instagram. They are pretty easy to complete. Let's see what the first thing is. Ooh. There are vitamins, I guess. That is pretty cool. I love vitamins. And this is for, it says supports an even skin tone and smooth, radiant skin. I do not know how much any of these products are, so if I find out, I will just list it on the description bar. It is sealed. I am pretty excited. It has 90 capsules, so that should last 45 days, it says here. How cool is this? I'm excited. Okay, next thing is a glitter spray for your hair and body. Okay, cool. When I first saw this online, I was like, for my hair, I don't think I'm gonna use that because, as you can tell, I always have my hair on twists, and putting glitter on my hair, I don't know, it kind of scares me because I don't know how easy it's gonna be to like take out of my hair. So I would not put this on my hair, but for my body, don't mind if I do. I am excited and let's try it. I don't want to make a mess, but I want to see how like big the glitters are. So let's see. That was intense. These smell like hairspray, but then it smells good once it like settles. But I don't see no glitter. Let's see. Okay, the like a spray thing is super intense. This is how it looks like. I would totally use this, but the glitter is sticking more to my fingers than to my skin, so not sure. Maybe I shouldn't have like rub it in. I mean, it smells amazing. You will look and smell like a stripper. But it smells pretty good. I would totally use this on my body when I cannot get a hold of how to use it, because maybe I'm spraying it too close to my skin. And the glitter is not too thick. Hope you guys can see that. I mean, I'm excited. Something new to try, something that I would have never purchased myself. But the next thing, this looks like a deluxe size. because it's like really tiny. I mean, I don't know if it's full size, but it looks tiny. It might be a deluxe size. But this is from the brand Pretty Vulgar? I don't know how to pronounce it. But I know they sell this on Sephora, so I would probably have to review it there. I don't know, it don't say anything. This supposedly retail for $23, but it's super tiny, so I don't know. Let's open it. This is how the brush looks like. It basically looks like the brush from Verde Sex Mascara. I am running pretty low on my mascara, so this came right on time. That's why I open it, because I probably will use it. And that way I get to use it and review it. The next thing is from the same brand as the spray, Eva NYC. And this is the mask. So I will totally use this. I love deep conditioning. This will be perfect. I just want to smell it, so I'm gonna open it to smell it. It kind of smells just like the spray, but the spray has that like hairspray like smell mixed with like a good smell. Oh, this is really thick. Yeah, it smells just like the spray, but not so intense. I would probably get 2 uses out of this, which is a whole month, which is extremely good. And I will probably, I don't know who sells that brand, but I'm sure they will let me know so I can go and review it. I'm due to wash my hair this weekend, and I will use that so I can review it and give my honest opinion. And the last thing we got here is from the brand Natural Box, and it's a body wash. So let's open it so we can smell it. And this is like so perfect for Valentine. Okay. This is what it is. This is with almond oil. I know they had like maybe 4 different ones. They had the avocado oil and coconut oil maybe. I don't remember. But this is the almond oil. And it smells good, but it doesn't smell super strong. But I will have to use it to see what kind of, like, what is the fragrance that lives on my skin whenever I'm finished. But it doesn't smell super strong. It says that it's suitable for sensitive skin. It's made with 100% cold pressed almond oil. And the antioxidant vitamin E. It says your sensitive skin will feel soft and moisturized. Yeah, just to use it and massage all over your body and rinse well. I am excited. I feel like the bottle is so beautiful. The gold and the black and the pink. It's just appealing to me. Anyways, that is all I got. I'm extremely happy because, as you guys probably know, I'm on a no buy, so I haven't bought anything in a long time. It's really exciting to get something new to try and to review and just to play with. Like I said, perfect timing, perfect Valentine's gift. Thank you so much, Influenster, and all the brands that are featured in this box. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys!